Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia, Letnan Jenderal Igor Konashenkov 17 Agustus merilis, senjata presisi tinggi Angkatan Udara Rusia menyasar satu gudang amunisi Brigade Serangan Lintas Udara ke-95 dekat Slaviansk di Republik Rakyat Donetsk. Serangan menghancurkan lebih dari 3.000 peluru artileri 122 mm ranjau dan lebih dari 30 tentara, kata Igor Konashenkov. Serangan presisi tinggi pasukan dirgantara Rusia terhadap pasukan angkatan bersenjata Ukraina dan konsentrasi peralatan militer di dekat Lozovoye, Belogorka, dan wilayah Krinitsa di wilayah Kherson menghancurkan lebih dari 40 nasionalis dan 10 unit kendaraan khusus. Musuh menderita kerugian yang signifikan, kata Igor Konashenkov. Secara total 267 pesawat Ukraina dan 148 helikopter, 1.747 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 365 sistem rudal anti pesawat, 4.334 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 799 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 3.310 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 4.922 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Igor Konashenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Dari kubu Kiev, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis 200 tentara Federasi Rusia dialami dalam 24 jam terakhir. Total 44.100 tentara Rusia tewas sejak awal konflik hingga hari ke-167. Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky terus menebar optimisme pasukannya akan mengusir penjajah Rusia dengan bantuan dan solidaritas internasional.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision weapons have hit one ammunition depot of the 95th Airborne Assault Brigade near Slaviansk in Donetsk People's Republic, destroying over 3,122 mm artillery shells, mines, and over 30 nationalists. High-precision strikes of the Russian aerospace forces against Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration near Lozovoye, Belogorka and Belaya Krunitsa in Kherson region have destroyed over 40 nationalists and 10 units of special vehicles. The enemy suffers significant losses. In Soledar, during the recruitment of the 10th Mountain Assault Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces, more than a third of mobilized citizens left their units of their own, leaving for an unknown destination. Brigade's personnel strength remains below 50% due to heavy losses. Due to heavy losses and shortage of ammunition, more than half of the servicemen of the 3rd Battalion of the 66th Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces voluntarily abandoned their combat positions and left the area of combat operations near Marvinka in Donetsk People's Republic. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. 9 command posts have been hit, including the 46th Air Mobile Brigade near Belaya Krunitsa in Kherson region, the 56th Motorized Infantry Brigade near Yasnobrodovka in Donetsk People's Republic, and the 28th Motorized Infantry Brigade near Nikolaev. A large number of Ukrainian reserve troops, weapons and military equipment arriving for unloading at Kalinindorf railway station in Kherson region have been destroyed. In addition, 9 missile and artillery weapons and ammunition depots near Kramatorsk, Nikolaevka, Krasnoye in Donetsk region, Malinovka in Kharkov region, Gulay-Pole, Samoilovka in Zaporozhye region, Bereznigovatoye in Nikolaev region, and 3 fuel depots near Kharkov, Bogodurov and Chuguyev in Kharkov region have been destroyed. Russian air defense means have destroyed 4 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Korobochkino in Kharkov region, Pervomayskoye, Yasinovataya in Donetsk People's Republic and Kherson City. 1 Tochka-U ballistic missile near Donetsk and 7 shells of Uragan multiple rocket launcher have been intercepted near Nikolskoye and Stakhanov in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 267 Ukrainian airplanes and 148 helicopters, 1,747 unmanned aerial vehicles, 365 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,334 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 799 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,310 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,922 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.